Why? You are not interested in mukti also. Moksha is the highest purushartha. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Moksha is the highest purushartha. You are not interested in moksha also. You are not interested in material activities. I can understand. But you are not interested in moksha also. Then what are you interested in? Why are you refusing to become interested in moksha? So, Tadvirya Gayana Mahamrita Magna Chittaha. Prahlad Maharaj says, I am not interested, I am not distressed, I have no anxiety, I have no want, I have no desire. Why? Because Tadvirya Gayana Mahamrita Magna Chittaha. My chitta, my mind, Magnaha, it is completely immersed. What is it immersed in? Tadvirya Gayana, in glorification of your wonderful activities. Tadvirya Gayana. And that glorification of your activities in which my mind is absorbed in, that is Mahamrita. It is not even Amrita. It is Maha Amrita. Amrita itself is something which is so sweet. The Devatas are constantly running after that Amrita. There is a constant battle and fight going on between the Asuras and the Devatas. Why? Because the Devatas have the pot of Amrita and the Asuras are constantly trying how to conquer the Devatas and get hold of that pot of Amrita. So the Amrita is a very desirable object. But then Prahlad Maharaj is saying something that is Maha Amrita. That is great nectar. That is far, far beyond even the nectar which Devatas are relishing. What is that? Tadvirya Gayana Magna Chittaha. To be immersed in the glories of your holy name, activities and instructions is Maha Amrita. It is greatly nectarian. Tadvirya Gayana Maha Amrita Magna Chittaha. But then, even though I am immersed in this Maha Amrita, Shoche, still I am very anxious. So what are you anxious for? Shoche tato vimukha chetasa indriyartha maya sukhaya bharamudvahato vimudhan. Shoche vimudhan. I am very much afflicted. I feel great pain when I look at all these vimudhas. Mudha means fool. Vimudha means Vishesha Mudha. Special fools. When I look at all the special fools in this material world, why are they special fools? Because I am tasting this Mahamrita which is available for everyone. Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is available for everyone. It is the great Mahamrita. But then the people are not interested in chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. They are not interested in tasting the Mahamrita. So if somebody you approach and you tell, please take this Mahamrita I brought for you, please taste it. They say, no, I'm not interested. What will you tell? He is a special fool. He's not even a fool. He is a special fool. Why? Because instead of tasting this Mahamrita which is there, Soche tato vimukha chetasaha, he has turned away from Krishna. And turning away from Krishna, where is his focus? Where is his attention? Where is his whole his whole attention? Where is it focused upon? Indriyartha. He is engaged in sense gratification. And what is the sense gratification? Nature of the sense gratification? Maya sukhaya. It gives illusory happiness. You see, somebody gets attracted by illusory happiness, he must definitely be a foolish man. An intelligent man will never be cheated by illusory happiness. But you see, the whole mass of people in this world, they are all cheated by this illusory happiness of Indriyartha. And not only are they cheated by this Maya Sukhaya Indriyartha, Bharam Mudvahato. They are taking bharam, they are taking the burden of udvaha. So they are taking the burden of making elaborate arrangements for enhancing and for maintaining their material sense gratificatory activities. At the individual level, at the community level, at the society level, at the national level, at the international level, at every level, they are engaged in hard labor, thinking that if I work hard and I maintain, I enhance, I improve the facilities for my material bodily sense gratification, I will become very happy. But then it is only Maya Sukha, it is illusion. The people, they keep on working hard, thinking that in the future, this hard work will result in happiness. But that hard work never results in happiness. It only results in distress. So therefore, Prahlad Maharaj is saying, when I see these Vishesha Moodas engaged in hard labor for something which is never going to give them any happiness, when I see that, then I feel distress. Otherwise, for myself, I am not any worried because my mind is absorbed in your glorification, in your pastimes, in your holy name, in your form, in your beauty, in all these things. So, you can see how whether it is Prahlad Maharaj, whether it is Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita or Kardama Muni in the Srimad Bhagavatam, all of them are saying the same thing. Bodhayantaha parasparam magna chittaha. So the parasparam tadguna vada sidhu. This is a standard thing. Anybody who comes in touch with Krishna, Krishna's beauty, Krishna's pastimes, Krishna's devotees, Krishna's holy name, Krishna's prasadam, Krishna's sankirtan, they will lose their attraction for this material world and sense gratificatory activities, and on the other hand, they will get addicted to Krishna. And they will start tasting a great nectar, a great ultra sweet nectar they will start tasting, which will make them lose their bodily concept of life.